This is how my mixture looks like. There. Once you mix it and it's finely mixed, get yourself ready. Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button, that is the red button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, that is the bell icon, so that you're notified every time I post a video. Subscribing is free of charge. No one is going to charge you for subscribing. My today's video, I'm going to talk about chebe powder and I'm going to use it. And I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it correctly. I don't know whether it's chebe powder or chebe powder. Some people call it chebe and others call it chebe powder. But for the sake of my video, we're going to call it chebe powder. So I have with me chebe powder, but let me get ready first. So chebe powder, you guys have seen my video about henna powder, henna treatment, and today I'm going to use chebe. Why I love chebe powder is because it's not as messy as henna treatment. And then for the henna treatment, you need a lot of time for preparation. Like if you're going to use henna treatment, you need to prepare it today for you to use it maybe after 8 hours or 12 hours. But for chebe powder, you prepare it then and then you apply it. Then for chebe powder, you don't have to wash it off. You can walk around with it. You can twist out, you can plait, you can wear a wig, and then go about your business. But for henna treatment, you cannot work it you cannot work with henna treatment like that. And then something else, for henna treatment, if it overstays in your head, it's going to color your hair. So if you don't want your hair colored, for henna treatment, you cannot go with it for more than 4 hours, about 4 hours, and then you wash it off. But for chebe powder, you can go with it for as long as you want. And then for chebe powder, you do not have to wash your hair. Like me, I love washing my hair. I like applying anything on clean hair. So my hair is clean, but I didn't have to do it. If I didn't want to apply if I didn't want to clean my hair, I could just have done it like that. So, oh, I forgot something. Let me just bring with me a bottle of water so that I splash my hair with water. So what do we need? We need the chebe powder itself. This is chebe powder. I hope it's clear. And then the oils that you use. I use coconut oil. This is coconut oil. And then I like mixing it with my Jamaican black castor oil, sweet almond, and my mega growth oils. But for these two, I'm just using these two to ensure that the smell that comes with chebe powder is not felt, because I'm going to work with chebe powder on my head for the next 1 week. I've applied chebe powder once and I can tell you guys my hair feels so soft. I'm not saying henna treatment is bad. You can use it if you like. So I'm going to wet my hair. So I'm going to spray my hair with water. Mine is the original chebe powder that is made in Chad. And then I'm going to use my coconut oil. I've already melted this, but I use a 1/4 teaspoonful. So I've melted it. Here it is. and then add a few drops of my Jamaican black castor oil, just a little, because yeah, there, just a few drops. And then my sweet almond coconut oil. This is to ensure there's sweet smell, because I don't want to walk around with a head that is smelling of chebe powder. It's not a good thing. And then my mega growth. This one smells so nice, as well as my sweet almond oil. So then after that, we are going to take the chebe powder. For chebe powder, we are going to use one teaspoonful, not even, I won't use full of it. Here. So, and then I'm going to mix it nicely. I think I used too much of oil, so I'm going to add chebe powder, and then the mixture that is going to remain, I'll give it to someone else. Because especially that my hair is not long, I have short hair, so I just need a little, which is going to be enough for my hair. And just a little. So then, this is how my mixture looks like. There. Once you mix it and it's finely mixed, get yourself ready. Let me remove these ones. This place is crowded. Let me just put them there so that I have enough space. You do not have to use all these oils. Use the oils that you use. I'm only using what I use, and then I like good smell on my hair. That's why I'm using the sweet almond and my mega growth, because they smell heavenly. So I'm going to partition my hair into 4 to make it easier for me to apply the chebe powder. Then I find it easier for me to just apply it on my palms like this, and then apply it on my hair. Apply it on your hair, but not on your scalp, because if it gets to your scalp is going to be itchy and it's going to be so uncomfortable for you. Just a few of it and it's enough. Continue like that for the rest of your hair. Continue to the end. So it's as easy as that. You apply, you see, if we were using henna treatment, then I'd be wearing gloves. But for this, the hands look like this, and I can just wash off with soap and water. But for henna treatment, if I was doing it like this, then my hands would be colored, my clothes would be having henna. But I'm not telling people who use henna to stop using henna. I'm also not going to stop using henna because I've seen it help my hair. I've seen it strengthen my hair, and my hair stopped breaking when I started using henna. But I want to just compare and see how helpful Chebe powder is. This is my second week of using Chebe powder, and I'm going to review it. I'm going to come back after about 2 months to see if I'll have seen changes. So you guys, after you're done, wear your curl, your plastic curl. You wear your plastic shower cap. If you're going to wear a wig, just do it. But if you're going to do twist outs or you're going to plait your hair, just give it a few hours and then you go and do the twist outs. Then after that, you can walk anyhowly. Yes. For me, I'm going to wear this. Yeah, so now I'm good. I'm good to go. Now, I don't know how to, I don't wear this thing nicely, like the way I see people doing it. If you want, after say 6 hours, you can wash the Chebe powder off, and it has a lot of particles. So when you're washing it, make sure you wash it nicely. Make sure you are not in a hurry because it has a lot of particles. So when you're washing it, you need a lot of time and you need running water. And then after that, you can just plait your hair and walk about your ways. For me, I'll leave it like that, and then by the way, it's only going to be visible for the first 2 days, 1 or 2 days. Today it's going to be visible, of course, and then tomorrow a little. You can notice it if you come near, but if a few meters away, you're not going to notice anything on my head. And then if you do like this, that's when again you're going to notice there's something on my hair. But if you don't, you won't notice. So by the third day, I'll be good to go. I'll just comb my hair. So guys, thanks for watching. But please, please, I'm begging you, do not leave without subscribing. Show me love, and if you find this video helpful, give me a big thumbs up. Like the video, leave a comment, and don't leave without subscribing. Thank you guys for watching, and God bless you. Bye.